Hello, it's me, Deem, with another topic called plastid. We are going to study in detail about its type and their function. Now, here the question arises: do you ever think that how and why some part of plants appear like that and while others don't? For example, why leaves are green and petals are not? Why root doesn't have any color? Where does plant store food? This is curiosity in all humans, and its answer is plastids. So let's start. Plastid word is derived from Greek word plastos, which means formed or molded. Plastid was discovered by Ernest Haeckel. Definition: Plastid are double membranous organelle found only in plants and photosynthetic algae. We can also say that they are blue-green algae because animals don't need plastid. We will discuss it a bit further. Plastid are semi-autonomous organelle, which means they are less dependent on cell for their survival because they have their own circular DNA, ribosomes, and RNA. And new plastid are made from the division of proplastid, which means old plastid. Scientists also think that plastid was once cyanobacteria. Later they enter the cell and start living there, and this theory is called endosymbiotic theory because they have 70 S ribosome and circular DNA as present in cyanobacteria. Here we come. Type of plastids. There are three types of plastid. This classification is because of their color and function. First type of plastid, chromoplast. Chromo mean color and plast mean plastid. They are called color plastid because they give different colors to plant other than green. Chromoplast can be found in fruit, petals, and other colorful parts. Other than green, they help in pollination because they give beautiful color to plants, to leaf, to petal that attract insects for pollination. Second type of plastid is leucoplast. Leuco mean colorless and plast mean plastid. This type of plastid can be found in colorless part of plants such as roots and woody stem. They have very important function because they help in storage, and on the basis of type of molecule they store, they are divided into three types. Elioplast, it is type of leucoplast which store lipids. Proteinoplast, type of leucoplast because it also store an organic molecule called protein. Amyloplast, amylo is taken from amylose, which is saccharide. It is type of plastid which store carbohydrates. Last and crucial type of plastid is chloroplast. Chloro mean green and plast mean plastid, also called green plastid because they give green color to plant. They are present in those parts which have green color, such as leaves and herbaceous stem. They have very important function because this plastid have chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight and convert it into glucose in the presence of carbon dioxide and water H2O. It is reason animal eat plant because they cannot prepare their food because they don't have chlorophyll. Now you can differentiate between these three types of plastid here in this pic. The first image is of leucoplast, second image is of chloroplast, and third image is of chromoplast. Well and good if you guessed it well. Now here is the last and interesting part of today's lesson with Knowledge Speak, which is quiz. Answer this question: why banana before ripening is green and after ripening become yellow in comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Speak, like, share and press bell icon for upcoming videos on science and general knowledge topics. Thank you.